Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what to do if your Facebook ads or any of your marketing campaigns don't work and kind of tell you why they aren't working. If you're listening to this on Spotify or Apple Music on the podcast, or you're watching me on YouTube, you're probably watching this video because you've either searched on YouTube and you've got ad campaigns that aren't bringing in results. You've probably signed a client, you're not getting them results, you're panicking, or you're just interested and you watch this every day and you want to know what happens if this comes about. But if you're new to the channel, my name's Harry. This channel is run alongside Tom Ford, who is the co-founder of my social media marketing agency. We had our separate agencies, which were both founded 4 years ago, and then almost 3 years ago now, we joined those agencies together after working on a few projects together, and those projects went so well that we joined our agencies together. Hence, now we've got a YouTube channel, we've got a mentorship program, link in the description if you're interested, and yeah, now we're here producing daily content on YouTube. So subscribe if you want daily content on social media marketing, sales, scaling your agency, and all the good stuff in between. But today's video, like I say, guys, is what to do if your ads aren't working. And this can be a moment of stress. So if you're new to SMMA, you've got your first client, you're running some ad campaigns and you're not getting leads through, or you're getting leads through but they're not converting. What do you do? Where to point the finger? And just what's the process? So first of all, you need to be very self-aware in this situation. You need to be very self-aware in the sense of, right, where are the holes? Right, I need to sit down, don't panic, and just be like, right, I'm going to look at this campaign. I'm going to analyze the metrics. I'm going to analyze the website data, the funnel data. I'm going to analyze everything and just see where the fuck this is all going wrong. First of all, you need to make sure that you've put your time and effort into learning how to run these campaigns successfully, because there's no point analyzing a load of fucking shit if you've literally just got up the worst campaign ever and you've done no research in how to actually run a successful campaign. That's step one. Like, just if you're watching this and that's you, just don't watch the rest of this video. Just go invest time in how to run campaigns successfully, because if you've just got one ad up, one ad set to a funnel, like you're 10 steps behind. You need to figure out how to actually run a campaign, and that's not what this video is about. So once you've got that knowledge and you've actually got a reasonable, actually got a professionally put together campaign with ads, laid ad sets across campaigns, what you need to do is you need to go through the system, you go through the campaign, like I say, very methodically, look at the metrics, look at the data you've got back, because you haven't got results in sales and leads. However, you have got data back. You don't just pay Facebook and just get leads and sales. Before you get leads and sales, and whilst you get leads and sales, depending on what industry you're in, e-com or lead gen, you get data back. You get impressions, you get click-through rates, you get cost per clicks, you get you get loads of data back from these advertising platforms, which help you analyze the performance of the campaigns. And it's important to state what the job of each part of the journey is. So if your Facebook ad isn't working, there are so many different reasons for why that isn't working. So let's take lead gen, for example. What do we class a lead gen campaign as working? We would say leads are coming through and those leads are converting. So not working could be different parts of that campaign. Not working could mean no one's clicking the ad. Not working could be no one's submitting their lead information. Not working could be we're getting loads of leads, but they're not converting. So it's figuring out what you class as not working. But to go back to the roots, which majority of people will get stuck at, which is no leads coming through and no sales coming through for the e-commerce brand. That's kind of where not working comes from. And if your ad isn't working, the first thing you need to do is analyze the metrics, like I said. And there are some key metrics, which I'm going to explain in this video, of what you need to look at to judge whether that's working or not. And it's important to state the whole job of an ad. So you put an ad on Facebook and Instagram. The whole objective of that ad is not to get a lead and not to get a sale, believe it or not. The only job of that ad is to stop someone scrolling on Facebook, stop someone looking at their nan on holiday, or, your brother's new dog. It's to stop that, hit a pain point about the product or service, and get them onto the website. Most people in their ads, they try and do everything in the ad. They try and sell to them. They try and do testimonials in there. They try to, tell them the price. They try and do every single thing in the ad, and it leaves no information to them to get later on. And that's the wrong way to do it. So the whole job of an ad is to get them off of Facebook onto the landing page for a cheap cost. So if your ads aren't working, I want you to go into the meta the metrics of your ad campaigns, whether that's on Google, whether that's on Meta, whether it's on, YouTube, Snapchat, wherever you're running ads, and look what the click-through rate is. Look what percentage of people that see the ad, how many of those people are going through to the landing page or website. Also, how much is it costing for someone to click the link to go through to the landing page? A good cost per click for a lead gen campaign is probably sub 20 cents. We've got some that we get 4 cents a cost per click. But if you're paying £2 a cost per click, that's going to tell you that ad isn't hitting the right pain points, and it's costing you a lot of money to get someone to even click the link, let alone view the landing page. Also, the click-through rate. You're going to want to have a click-through rate of at least a 3% click-through rate is really good. So 3% of people that see the ad click through, providing that's targeted traffic. If you've got a 0.001% click-through rate, that means you need to either change the ad creative or you're showing a good ad to the wrong people, so your targeting's wrong. But if you're structuring your campaigns in the correct way initially through the testing phase, which we teach in the academy, which you should be doing, then that's going to be very unlikely that happens because of the way you structure your ads and your ad sets. So that's step one. If you've got a low click-through rate and an extremely high cost per click with no leads and no sales through, you need to go back to the drawing board and test more ads. Make sure that you've spent a good amount of the budget on those ads. Don't just spend £10 and draw a conclusion. No, you need to be running at least a $20 a day campaign for at least 5 days to get the data back. So if you're now looking at your campaigns and the ads are still not working, but you've got a good click-through rate and a good cost per click, that means your ad's doing an incredible job because it's hitting a pain point and it's getting people to the website. However, if you're still not getting leads and sales through, that means the landing page or the website isn't converting in the best way. If you're getting loads of traffic to a website, it's now the website's job to convert that traffic. It's not the ad's job. The ad's done its job to stop you scrolling on Facebook, hit a pain point, get you over to the landing page. Now, if they get to the landing page and the product and service on the landing page doesn't match what you're advertising in the ad, say in the ad you're advertising a 50% off offer, and then on the landing page it says free quote and there's no mention of a 50% off, then that's a problem and it's a landing page issue. So if you're getting traffic, targeted traffic from these platforms to your website at scale and it's still not bringing in leads, then you need to do something to the landing page or the sales funnel, which is why we include sales funnels in all of our packages that we do for our clients, because majority of websites that clients have are designed terribly. They're not designed to convert. They have a terrible conversion rate. They're designed terribly. So when we work with a client, we skip all of that out, make them a really nice funnel, has all the information in there. We have loads of control over it and the leads convert incredibly, which is why when people, only offer just Facebook ads to their existing website and they don't get any sales, and then they resort to lead forms, which gets them terrible quality of leads, which just moves the problem somewhere else, they lose the client. So like I say, you need to look at those two metrics. If those ads are getting people to the landing page and then the landing page isn't converting, then it's a landing page issue, and you need to use your knowledge of the convertibility of websites, how to structure landing pages in the correct way in order to get those sales or those leads to come in. If you're getting a nice click-through rate, you're getting a nice cost per click, you're getting a steady stream of targeted traffic to the landing page, and the leads are converting, and you're bringing in leads. However, when those leads come in, nothing happens to them. So the client says, Harry, it's great you've brought in 100 leads, but we've made £0 from them. Then that's a massive issue. And therefore you need to then look at, right, once the lead comes in, what's the journey like? Am I putting them through a go high level sequence? Am I managing them through go high level? Am I doing email sequences? Am I doing SMS messages? Am I doing all of the stuff that happens after the lead comes in? What's the follow-up process like from the client? How quickly are they calling them? Are they calling them? What's the sales skills of the client's receptionist who's calling all of these leads like? Are they picking up and just expecting the sale? It's all stuff that you as the agency owner need to manage, and you need to be switched on enough to troubleshoot in order to get those campaigns bringing in results. So yeah, that's kind of what you need to do, guys. You just need to remember the job of each part of the journey. Like I say, the only job is to get them off of social media onto the website. The only job of the website is to convert that traffic into leads. And then it's your job to build the automations and help the client convert those leads through the different strategies and the nurturing process. So hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Lots of information there in a very short period of time. You may need to watch it 2 or 3 times, but if you have any questions at all, leave a comment in the description of the video. Please, please, please make sure you like and subscribe, because we post every single day on YouTube, and it massively appreciates and keeps us motivated to continue producing these videos, seeing the subscribers increase and seeing how you guys love the videos. So massively appreciate, guys. If you do want any more detailed help on this kind of stuff, we do have the academy. I'm not going to talk too much about it. It's a link in the description, 23-minute video on there where you get access to every single like detailed strategy that we run, that we've managed to scale our agency to multiple 6 figures a year with. And yeah, everything's on the website. Check it out. But if not, message me on Instagram, Harry_SMMA, if you have any questions on what we spoke about in this video or about the academy. But yeah, like, subscribe. See you tomorrow at 9 AM for tomorrow's video.